you watching, Tiago? Are you watching? Okay guys, so the reason why we're replacing this radiator, you can see the condition of that cooling fins right there, and that's I think it's the temperature switch or the fan switch that Christopher's holding. I'm not 100% sure, but we're just gonna be fitting that onto the new radiator right now. And yeah, you can see as well, yeah, it's did get the hit. I think it was leaking, as you can see, the rust, probably water leaking out there.
Yeah,
and yeah, so I just think it would be, we made a decision just to replace it rather than staying with this problem.
crispy Worx custom.
This thing is working like this. Yeah, but I'm firstly net fan shroud.
Just prefer to use some. Oh. Yeah, so we put the radiator in, not without hassle though, because we were struggling to find how it fits. Shell seemed to have forgotten. So, but looks like it's good now. We will get obviously nicer bolts. Obviously they're
just
not the same.
respray these brackets as well.
Respray these brackets. We still need to clean up the
fan shroud.
The fan shroud, yeah, make that look nice, as well as the carburettor's in, and it looks, it's actually looking quite nice now. So progress today, big progress.
So yeah guys, there you have it. Golf is looking nice and clean, as you guys saw in the last video. We're gonna close off today's video. We do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.